What's going on? Kody Steele with Motor Mouth Entertainment, man, here in Minnesota at the Motor Mouth Studios. I'm going to bring a little bit of V8 power to you guys. I know a lot of you guys are crazy, bloodthirsty over some good old-fashioned demolition derbies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that noise right into your house, right here, right now. Here's a V8 demolition car. Alrighty, start them up, boys and girls!
Number 21 out there giving a good showdown. Make some noise for your backwoods boy, Jim Duffett. Fire out there, guys, fire.
Now, just when you think you can't get any better, we bring out the V6 demolition cars. Number 14, sponsored by Amsoil. And the 4-cylinders, little bumblebees, guys. Don't forget about them bumblebees. They will hit you when you're not looking. First place goes to Danny Hines. Now, tractor pulls. The diesel, we're bringing that diesel back. You can't get enough of that smoke, guys. Toma tractor pulls in Toma, Wisconsin. I don't know if you've been there. NTPA, National Truck Pull Association. Look them up. He's locked, he's loaded, and ready to go in 3, 2, 1. We got a new leader, boys. They call him the Devil's Handprint, David Bowie. Now, truck pulls. I want that V8. I want that ground beneath your feet to really rumble on this one. Here we go. Do you hear that motor? He's putting money into that motor, guys. Larry Livery Jones. 3, 2, 1. That is your new leader, everybody. Make some noise. Thank you for having fun with me, Kody Steele. I ain't going nowhere, guys. Keep tuned and let's rock and roll.